Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install Nvidia RTX Voice on a PC that doesn't have a RTX series graphics card. So in my case I've got a GTX series graphics card and this works perfectly fine. So what you're first going to have to do is install it, and it won't let you because you don't have an RTX series graphics card. It'll say that we can't install it because we don't have RTX. So we're just going to close it. And what that will do is, if you saw, it makes this Nvidia RTX Voice folder in temporary internet files. So what we're going to go is go into that, go into the Nvidia AFX file, and this RTX Voice file here, which is an NVI file, we're going to edit this. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this over here, if it'll let us, because it won't let us edit and save it inside this file I found. So then when we're out here, we'll open it up, and this constraints line here, we're just going to delete it. So delete that constraints line, go ahead and save it, bring the file back in. Then what we're going to do is going to go back a little bit, and you'll see this setup file here. We're just going to run that setup from there, which my computer doesn't know how to run. That one there. And now it's going to let us install it. And boom, you're done. So now it's going to run the program. It's going to be all working. And I'll soon show you in a second what it does. Okay, so this is a quick demonstration of RTX in action. So I've got a Cherry MX red silent keyboard. I'm just going to button mash the keys like everyone on Discord does. Clicks don't seem to get taken away by this voice suppression device, but anyway, make lots of noise in the room. Background noise is really good for this one. The testing that I've done is quite good. And I'm just going to turn it on, and you can tell that it does make my voice sound a little bit suppressed, but I'm typing again and almost no noise. I'm just going to make some noise again and typing, RTX off. You can see the difference it makes quite a lot. So you can play around with the suppression to a degree that you like. Another option is you can also suppress the incoming audio from your mate if your mate's headset is notoriously loud and stuff like that. So pretty cool program, and it's gonna get a lot of action, I reckon. It's really good. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.